The best way to explain how to achieve financial freedom is to break it up into three different parts. The first part that I want to talk about in this video is understanding that passive income is ultimately our end goal. I'm going to share with you the exact strategies and methods that I use to create a passive income in hopes that you will take these ideas and implement them into your own life so that you can increase the chances of achieving financial freedom for yourself. So if this is the first time we are meeting, my name is Jason Elam, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs learn the necessary skills to create an income online. And I named my YouTube channel Harsh Reality Check for a reason. I like to keep things simple, straight to the point. So with that being said, let's just dive right into the topic. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what passive income is and some different ideas of how to create a passive income. So before we dive into the details of passive income, let's talk about financial freedom. So financial freedom probably means a wide variety of things to all of us. But to give it a real general description, financial freedom allows us to be able to free up our time so that we can do the things we enjoy doing with the people we want to do it with, wherever we want to do those things, right? I mean, come on, let's face it. That's the life that we all desire to truly live. How nice would it be to just go wherever you want, with whoever you want, doing whatever you want? I mean, that's the ultimate goal here. That's the ultimate way to live life. So obviously, trading time for money is not going to accomplish this task, because no matter how much money you make per hour, whether it's $5 an hour or whether it's $500 an hour, you're still trading time for money. So you are always going to be committed to that job in one way or another. Look at any professionals, like whether they be psychologists, doctors, lawyers, whatever the case may be. Sure, they may make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, and awesome, very happy for them. That's great. But their time is still demanded by their clients, their patients, their customers, whatever the case may be. You may be out with a dinner of, let's say, a doctor, and all of a sudden he or she gets a phone call and has to leave dinner to go take care of a patient. That is not financial freedom. Sure, they may be able to live in a very nice home, drive the nice cars, and maybe even take vacations from time to time. But the fact still remains is they have not created financial freedom. Okay, because let's go back to what financial freedom means. It means to be able to do what you want, when you want, with whoever you want, right? So, I mean, that's the ultimate goal here, guys. That's where passive income is such a huge advantage to creating that kind of a lifestyle. Imagine for a second, if you didn't have to trade your time for money anymore. Now you have a system that's set up and it's working for you while you are doing other things, okay? That's the ultimate goal here. So first, let me explain to you what passive income means. Passive income is when you receive an income without physically being there during the time of that transaction. That's how you create financial freedom. Now, if you're anything like me, you might be thinking, okay, Jason, that sounds too good to be true. Well, okay, it probably is, because the reality of it, remember, this is called reality check for a reason. The reality of it is passive income will definitely create that lifestyle that we're looking for, but you have to put in the work ahead of time in order to create that passive income. Creating that passive income is really where you have to be patient. You have to put in the time. You have to put in the work. You might have to put in some investment in yourself, investment into your business, investment into some tools. There's going to be some costs, both on the financial side and both on time-wise. So imagine if you put in the work for the next 1 year, maybe 2 years, and you create a very effective passive form of passive income. Imagine what when year 3 comes around. Now imagine the kind of lifestyle you can live. See, that's what really separates the very successful from everybody else, because they were willing in the beginning to implement the work and the time that they needed to in order to create the future that they want. Most people aren't willing to do that. It gets hard, it turns into work, it gets tough, and they say, you know what, this is too much. It's so much easier to just go collect a paycheck, and hey, if that's you, I wish you the best. have fun. But no matter what the case is, collecting a paycheck by the hourly basis is never going to allow you to achieve financial freedom. Passive income is something that has to be created and it has to be done. Now, like I said, the work that you put into creating this passive income is, it's going to be work and it's going to be frustrating and you're going to want to quit. It is not easy. That is not easy at all. Once you have created that passive income, then you can start living the life a little bit easier. Here's why I truly believe passive income is a great piece of the puzzle to have within my business, because there is so many areas of a business that we need to work in. Now, how nice is it if we can set up our income stream so it's all done automatically while we work in other areas of our business? Like, let's use doing your book work, talking with your accountants, creating advertising, maybe creating another sales funnel, maybe creating a multiple stream of income through other forms of passive income. So while you have this constant flow of revenue coming in on a passive income side, you can be building your business and other aspects of things, because you're always going to be working. Okay, there's no such thing as, let's build something once, I'm going to be rich for the rest of my life, I can go party and have fun and travel the world. No, that's not what I'm saying. That's not even possible. But what I am saying is possible is you put in that work and you create one form of passive income. That frees up a little bit of your time to where you can, yes, enjoy it with your family and your friends to an extent, but you're also going to need to utilize that extra time to create multiple streams of income. You're going to have to maybe look into investing options, because that's another form of passive income. So there's a lot of different areas that you're going to still need to work in, but having that form of passive income helps free up the time so that you can build the other things that you need to build, so that you can ultimately create a much more financial successful business. So that brings me up to the other two topics. Okay, so what do we do? How do we create this whole passive income thing? What are you talking about with a sales funnel? What are you talking about, ads and all this other stuff? All right, so I'm going to create 2 additional videos. I'm going to create these next 2 videos over the course of the next 2 weeks. One video is going to dive into how to set up a sales funnel with paid traffic, and how to leverage the advertising platform of either Facebook or Google, and how you can create a passive income through paid advertising. The other video, the second video that I'm going to be creating, is about how to do this organically. See, a lot of us might have the funds that we can afford to implement into an advertising budget. Some of us may not. Some of us may have more time than we have money. So I want to provide both the options so that you can either use both options, or you can just leverage one if it fits your particular situation better. So I want to dive into both of these topics over the course of the next couple of weeks. So keep your eyes open for those videos. The best way to make sure that you see those videos when they come up is by hitting the subscribe button on this particular video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You get notified when those videos come available. Now, this video is being made August 13th of 2019. So if you're watching this video a month later, you're already going to have access to those videos, the second 2 videos, by going to below in the description of this video. I will provide those links as I created those videos. So if you're watching this brand new, I just uploaded it. Understand that these next videos will be coming down the line, but over the course of the next couple of weeks, so keep your eyes open for that. So as always, please don't forget to give me your honest feedback. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Either way, I appreciate the feedback. On that note, enjoy the rest of your day, my friends. I'll see you in the next video.